grab the net. Nice. Oh yeah. G'day guys and welcome back. Finally out in the water for a fish. And we're here at Shady Camp. It's round one of the top End Barra Series. Earlier this morning we were out at the mouth fishing. We managed to hook up to one fish. That was about it. We're in a bit of a lull period at the moment, so we're waiting for the tide to turn and we'll start fishing the outgoing. This evening it is actually quite windy right now, and I'm kind of hoping that it dies off this afternoon. If not, then we'll have another crack tomorrow morning. So yeah, stay tuned and we'll see if we can connect with some more fish. Oh, I'll keep tension on, there might be something there. One a bit faster. Nothing there.
Oh no, it's, yeah. There was something there.
Oh, there's something there, alright. What are you talking about? Oh, it's a good fish, grab the net. Wait. Net. Wait.
Oh.
Just wait. Go now. Yep. Oh, nice.
What's that?
It's a barra. I've got a fish. How good is that? Get excited. I thought I was seeing shit on the set. Oh yeah. Jesus. Lip grips first. Always lip grips first.
Where are they? You want to hold it? It's your fish.
Got here. Let's see if we can score some points with him. He is 64. 64. Nice. On the board.
We
need the card.
What else?
So just spin it.
Is it recording?
Come down here. Oh yeah, first barra at 64. Nice. We're in the board. Nice healthy fish on the trial. Finally scored. We'll let him go and we'll keep going. Check this out. Oh, that's not that bad.
Oh, David.
Relax. Well, that's all she wrote for today. We did it tough running, managing to land that one fish. However, we did have plans to overnight, but they've now changed. However, we get one scoring fish, we've got to take some positives from the day. And it's actually just been really good to be back on the water, to be honest. Don't worry, we'll be heading back to Shady Camp a few more times yet. We're here to chase that elusive barramundi. But until then, we'll see you on the next video. Cheers, guys.